皆さんこんにちは。今日は初めてセブンイレブンでおにぎりを買いましたいやऐसा कर दो तो और क्या कर दे, क्या हो जाएगा फिर? पागल ही है क्या भाई? सेट में क्या यार, दिमाग सेट किया लगी हुआ तेरा. Who would have happened you? यार कोई तो है ना, 15 लाख रुपए दे दो. 15 lakh rupees only. 1.5 billion rupees only. Only. It's too much. Oh, what this? Why can't I see? Why can't I see? I'm blind. I'm going blind. Congratulations. You're blind. I'm going blind. Blind. Okay. Let's not waste time. Let's student, no spouse. Yo, spouse. Spouse is like, you know, spouse is spouse होता है. Gender नहीं होता पर spouse का शायद तो. जीवन साथी, पति या पत्नी या आती है यार, अंग्रेजी आती है मुझे. फिर हम क्या करते हैं, जीसन नाम का वेरिएबल बना लेते हैं. And what we do is we do JSON dot stringify, and what it does is it converts object into JSON. So this object is gonna turn into a JSON. Stringify. Hi, studento objecto. What's an object in Japanese? Consort och type of गरीब हो यार, मैं क्या करूँ अभी. That's that, and then we check. Hi, we check. Do you wanna check? Yes, I wanna check it. That's string. Okay, that's string. That's a string. JSON is just a string, right? Yeah. And yeah, and we can console log the JSON also, which would look something like this. String Pepe, and that's our JSON, like that. Name John, age 30, is admin false, courses that we have and all that. That's fine. JSON, yeah, JSON is fine. Good. It looks like that. Yep, of course. And now I think it's it'll be over soon. Oh my lord, that's it. ज़्यादा ही है भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा ये तो दो ही है ना. There are only 2 questions. So custom pointers 3 ज़्यादा तो नहीं है. Wait a minute, I'll be back. Hi, the method JSON.stringified student takes the object and converts it into a string. The resulting JSON string is called JSON encoded, or serialized, or stringified, or marshaled object. We are ready to send it over the wire or put it into a plain data. Please note that a JSON encoded object has several important differences from the object literal. To send it over the wire or put into a plain object data store, plain data store. Please note that a JSON encoded object has several important differences from the object literal. Strings use double quotes. Strings use double quotes, no single quotes or backticks in JSON. So John becomes John, and object property names are double quoted also. That's obligatory. So age 30 becomes age 30. JSON.stringify can be applied to primitives as well. So primitive data, non-primitive, primitive. JSON supports the following data types: object, array, primitives, strings, numbers, boolean, value, true, false, null. For instance, ओके भाई मैं तो ऐसे कॉपी कर लेता हूँ सब कुछ. array.stringify1. okay, console.log and then JSON dot stringify 1. Hi Jatin. Let's do test and true, and let's do an array. So JSON is data only, language independent. JSON is data only, language independent specification. So some JavaScript specific object properties are skipped by JSON, namely function property methods. मेरा फीचर 100% आर्ट में. हाँ क्यों भाई, क्यों ऐसा क्यों है? मेहनत करो भाई, मेहनत करो भैया. True is true, primitive data is that is that. What if I type of it? Try. ऐसा नहीं होता भाई. That's a string. Machikayo. That's a string. That's also a string then. Everything is string. That's also a string. So that's also a string then. Oh, maksa. Cur. Everything is a string. Okay. Everything is a string. JSON is data only. Okay, Boolean null. Who cares about null? JSON is a data only language independent. JSON is data only language independent specification. So some JavaScript specific object properties are skipped by JSON.stringify, namely function properties, methods, symbolic key, and values, and properties that store undefined. Ignored cause isn't that a method? What's that? That's key. Symbolic keys. Oh, that's a key. And values. Symbolic keys and values. Methods. That's a method. That's a symbolic key. And then there's this, like that. Let's see. Let user say say ha like that. Say that. Console log ha. That's ignored. Symbol ID, whatever, doesn't matter. It will be ignored. Yeah, ignore though. Something, anything. How do you write something? Undefined though. I ignored. I like that. JSON. Put JSON stringify, and then we give our object here. That's an empty object. Empty object. Usually that's fine. If that's not what we want, then soon usually that's fine. If that's not what we want, then soon we'll see how to customize the process. The great thing is that nested objects are supported and converted automatically. Great thing is that nested objects are supported and converted automatically. Meetup. Title conference room. Yeah, room we have number, table number 21, room number 21, participants. I cannot see it. Katy Perry. Katy Perry and who? Yosh. Hi, what's up? That's fine. And we console log it. DSA in Java best playlist batao. I don't know, man. I haven't done DSA yet. And yeah, I like reading stuff, so I'm gonna follow a book when I will do a DSA. So I don't know anything about any playlist. Stringify and then meetup. This thing on there. Meetup. That's conference and this nested object. Katy Perry and Yosh. She's cute. Oh, she's old now. Fine, but hi. The important limitation: there must be no circular references. The important limitation: there must be no circular references. What do you mean by circular references? The important limitation: there must be no circular references. I have no idea what that is. The room is 23, room number 21. Let's meet. Title: conference participants John and Anne. Meetup.places room. Meetup.places room. Meetup conference. Oh, poda, like that. Hi. Room dot occupied by meetup. Room reference meetup. Error meetup. Error converting circular structure to JSON. उसको इसमें डाला और उधर से इसमें डाल दिया. ऐसे ऐसे नहीं चलता. तो मैं क्या करूँ भाई. Okay, ma. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Let room number is always 21. Table number 21. If you watch that movie, then you know. Let meet up. Taitoru. Conference. Participants. As always. Yosh and Katy Perry. John Dare. Katy. Is it this or this? I think it's this. Katy Perry. भैया बताओ. अरे मैंने DSA नहीं किया अभी तक. That's why I don't know. मैं बुक फॉलो करूँगा कोई. ChatGPT कर ले भाई. मुझे नहीं पता सच में. मैंने अभी तक DSA स्टार्ट नहीं किया. I don't know. Man, otherwise I would have told you. Hi, Drake. corner, tree corner. That's a meet up. Please room this. Meetup references room. Meetup. My room occupied, but it's just an example, so it's fine. Meetup. That's called circular structure, which is not allowed in JSON. Room. You're putting the whole object here into this meetup.s, like that's the key and that's the value, the whole object, and then when again in the room occupied this key and the meetup is going over there, the whole meetup thing, meetup object. So no, not allowed. What the hell are you doing? Meetup JSON dot stringify. How does stringify? I'm tired, bro. Let's see, man. Hi, converting circular structure to JSON. No. Get the hell out of here. That's what it's saying. That's what it says. Get the hell out of here, boy. Error. It's roaring. You cannot do that. What are you? Are you dumb? So we just don't do that then. Hi. Here the conversion fails because of circular reference. Zoom.occupied reference meetup and the meetup.place references Zoom. So number 23 occupied by place. Occupied by place. Title is conference. Title is conference. I know that. The conversion fails because of circular reference. Zoom.occupied by references meetup and meetup.place references room. Number 23 occupied by place. Okay, sorry. Excluding and transforming replacer. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 summary, 5 topics, and then 2 questions. Topics, headings, whatever, you know. No, they don't know. Excluding. Bro, you're just copying everything. Yo. Why do I 5 with my CF? It's fine, bro. The full syntax is JSON.stringify. Value. Oh, what's that? First argument is argument kana. Whatever that is, okay. Replace excluding and transforming replacer. Let JSON.stringify value replacer space value to encode replacer replace array of properties to include or mapping function keys values, like function key values. Array of properties to include or a mapping function. Let's see space, amount of space to use for formatting. What's happening with this thing? Keeps going blank. Gonna restart it. Hope you can see that. It's visible, the window. Value replacer space, the amount of space to use formatting. Okay. Most of the time JSON.stringify is used with the first argument only. That's the first argument kana? Oh, kore kana? Okay, my but meet up. ऐसे ये लोग है ना? Isn't it wrong? Like what's going on over here? Is that a typo? What is it? Let me do that. Let me see the actual docs. Oh, it is like that. What's over here though? Oh, let's read it. I will look at that later if I don't find the answer in this thing. Most of the time JSON.stringify is used when the first argument only. With the first argument only, but if we need to fine tune the replacement process, I like to filter out circular references. We can use the second argument of these JSON.stringify. JSON.stringify. Replace. We can use the second argument of JSON.stringify. If we pass an array of properties to it, only these properties will be encoded. If we pass an array of properties to it, only these properties will be encoded. Sorry. The full God dang it. However, it's important. Yeah, I'm doing one thing more. You go over here. Wait, isn't it obvious? I'm not copying that. Let JSON. हटा ना यार, कौन करेगा ये? Just stringify. Is that right? Stringify. That's the value. And then a big bracket and then replacer. I don't know why, but space. That's it. So I will just let's just write it one time. Number 2021. 21 is fine. 21 is favorite. Room number 21. भाई बाल किससे कटाने चाहिए, कैंची किससे काटनी चाहिए? ट्रिमर से ऐसे ऐसे पकड़ के इसे उखाड़ने चाहिए, सबसे बेस्ट। लेट मीट अप टाइटल कॉन्फ्रेंस fan meetup orgy bar that's a name. Money always Katy Perry. Name Yogs. Or it's a fan meetup. Eh? Oh, that's an array? Array of objects. अरे भाई बकरी को क्या हो रहा है भाई? बढ़िया बढ़िया, अगली बार ट्राई करूँगा। आप जब बोल्ड हुए थे तो ऐसे ही हुए थे? कितना टाइम लगा था सारे बाल खींचने को? ओनली 15 hours only. You should try that too. Place and then that's room boy. That's place references room. And then zoom dot occupied cupid, then meetup. That's the called a circular reference, right? Circular structure reference, whatever. Ma zoom references meetup. Zoom deja vu. Just added deja vu. I don't know. Meetup. Console.log. Papa ka para. Stringify. Meet to up. Yeah, meet to up पता है। लगता है पीछे बकरा और बकरी छोटी बकरी की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। ये बकरा और बकरी छोटी That's only one goat. There is only one goat. There is no gota. Gota. So, oh. And then, title. That's title. Participants. What do you mean by title? Participants. Like that. Let's wait a minute. What is your answer? I'm gonna see that first. Title dot Katy Perry and Yorkshire. Yeah, आप हंस क्यों रहे हो? कौन हंस रहा है भाई? गलत बातें मत कर भाई, गलत बातें मत कर, गुस्सा आ जाएगा मुझे। え OK なんだよ OK OK まあ it's fine that is that press number ってनंबर है वो भाई जो तू कर रहा है इसको क्या कहते हैं wait a minute इसको कहते हैं यस समझ में आया तू वही है ना बकचोदी करने वाला हाँ तेरे मेरे और ये तू तो वही है भाई बकचोदी करता है ना तू what was I doing oh my god कौन बकचोदी करने वाला मैं तो नहीं आया तेरे नाम तो एक और बंदा था भाई वो भी तेरे जैसे बकचोदी बेचता था Yeah, this guy is dirty. Don't do dirty talks in the chat. Don't occupy the meetup. References. Meetup. 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 Like, what's the difference? Ma. That's an error, and then we Yo, fuck off, man. Get the fuck out of here. But it depends. मामा मामा चुप करना मामा की हाँ भाई क्या करूँ मैं पार्टिसिपेंट्स ओह इसको मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ ऐसा दोनों चलते हैं ना title dot here we are probably too strict the property list is applied to the whole object structure the property list is applied replace a value to encode isn't that a typo bench क्या है ये गाली क्यों दे रहा है भाई गाली और निकल रही है अभी मुझसे array of properties to encode or a mapping function array of properties or replace the array of properties to encode or a mapping function amount of space to use of what's this title conference participants and that हमारे यहाँ भी कुत्ता बैन करना पड़ेगा भाई. Here we are probably too strict. The property list is applied to the whole object structure. So the objects is participants are empty. So the objects in participants are empty because name is not in the list. Oh, what if I have the name also? Oh, then we have Zabuza. Okay, Mama. यार चुप करेगा क्या? मैं मामा करने. पड़ोस की बकरी है ये. Is the neighbors good? Here we are probably too strict. The property list is applied to the whole object structure, so the object and participants are empty because a name is not in the list. Let's include it in this list for except. Okay, let's include in the list every property except room not occupied. That would cause the circular reference. Now, okay, so we'll do this. भाई काम नहीं है क्या भाई तुझे? And I do believe that to in CS tech field you need a basic CS according to अच्छा भाई तुम IIT से हो भाई. कोडिंग में फाड़ बनना है तो क्या करे? फाड़ बनना है तो फाड़ बनूं. फाड़ बनने की कोशिश कर तो फाड़ बन जाओगे तुम. फाड़ बनने के लिए फाड़ो. तुम्हारे क्या पागल इंसान है क्या भाई तू? यार ये पड़ोस भी है ना, ये बकरी को चारा नहीं डालते. सारे दिन प्यो अरे पेट दुख रहा भाई मेरा तो. बकरी के साथ इतने डरावनी हो. Fucking hell. Oh my. वाह मामा चारा नहीं डाल रहे भाई को कुछ होती है बकरी ऐसी होती है. Okay, we have all that. Let's only remove this. Yeah, title, fan meetup, and then no, that's all we got. That's all we get. Za. Except room.occupied. Let's include in this list every property except room.occupied. Please be name, number, everything. Room.occupied. Title dot. If for a day you changed into a girl, then would you let your homies hit? भाई तू क्यों पीछे पड़ा है भाई?